Gates open, they're up and racing. Royal Fair, Friendly Fire moving up, stand by your man. Then comes Bagong Silang, Mapagtiis, and moving up Mount Panama by the rail is Ingay, Tricky Shirley's and Federer. As they race towards the last 900, stand by your man in command by about 2 lengths. Friendly Fire is on the outside, Bagong Silang by the rail. Then racing in fourth is Valentine Rose. Royal Fair moving up by the rail. Federer, Ingay in between runners and on the outside. Moving up is Mount Panama as they race towards the last 450. Bagong Silang now the leader. Friendly Fire moving up on the outside is Royal Fair. Valentine Rose is stand by your man fading out. Mount Panama, Ingay is on the outside with 200 to go. Royal Fair, Bagong Silang is by the rail. We have Bagong Silang. Royal Fair now takes the lead on the outside. Bagong Silang drops back in second at the last 75 meters. It's going to be Royal Fair. Second, close between Mount Panama, Bagong Silang. Then comes Ingay, Valentine Rose, and Friendly Fire.